Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming essentials. Charge the Boltt to at least 20% and turn it on, then enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Boltt app and sign in, because the account links settings and firmware updates. Once done, tap Add Device and choose your watch model. Grant Bluetooth and location permissions when prompted. These let the phone discover the watch. If the app asks for notification access, allow it so calls and alerts pass through. Now wait for the app to search. When the watch appears in the app list, tap it. You'll see a pairing code on both screens. Confirm they match, because this prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. Once paired, the app often pushes firmware or settings. Allow sync. This ensures features and sensors work correctly. Make sure to enable notification, activity, and health permissions so steps, heart rate, and alerts flow into the app. Next, customize watch face, time zone, and units to match your habits, and save settings. To finalize, test functionality. Start an activity, check heart rate updates, and make a test call to confirm notifications. If data does not sync, first reboot both watch and phone and then toggle Bluetooth. This clears temporary glitches. If the app still won't connect, force close and reopen it, or uninstall and reinstall. As a last resort, factory reset the watch and repair. Do this only when necessary because it erases local data. One tip: keep app and watch firmware current to avoid most problems.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.